Bobby is missing. Yo-Yo is so nervous and panicked. She is calling us for help.
Let's go then.
Wow, what a slow and noisy tractor.
At least better than running.
Hi,
Hey.
Yo-Yo.
Hey guys,
What's going on?
last night I can barely see a green object. Grabbed Bobby away when I got home.
Oh, I have heard from Sam. He saw someone got bitten by a bat turned into a green zombie. We may go search for Bobby along the riverside.
Sherry, take the speedboat. By the way, it's super fast.
No worry, I got skills. Grab on, Andy. Andy, quiet.
Look, I have a plan. We climb up the hill, beat up the zombie, save Bobby, run down the hill, then we go home.
Too risky. How about this? You take the lift up. I use a fish to distract the zombie. You go pick Bobby up, ride the minecart down, and we go home.
Wait, how did you get the fish?
Just some fishing skills. The key is to act secretly and quietly. Easy.
Okay, secretly and quietly.
Hey, zombie, eat this fish.
Oh God! Bobby, hey! Bobby, come! Bobby, jump! Eat this apple!
Andy,
Ah!
Andy, jump.